Basically is an at-home kind of teeth realignment process. It's basically like an alternative to metal braces using clear aligners. This is a treatment that I've been thinking about for quite a while. I'm not using it for my top teeth, I'm using it for my bottom teeth. And the way that you hold the camera in vlogs and also when you're like chatting to, you know, Insta stories and stuff like that, it's at that angle that you can really see them, and them not being straight is by no means the end of the world. But I thought this year that I would finally do something. There are a few different brands that do aligner based kind of teeth correction, whereas Your Smile Direct is by far the most affordable, far and away. It's the cheapest way to do this, so I thought that was really intriguing. But they're still completely dentist approved, and you work with a dentist when you're doing the treatment. So that's how you basically send over your impressions, which is like the impression of your teeth, the shape of your teeth, so they can make your aligners. So the process of that is important because you need to get a proper impression to get your aligners fitted properly. So then some people rather just doing like the at-home impression kit, but for me I wanted to avail of the service of getting the scans because I wanted it to be exactly right. So I did that before I went away on my trip, and now my smile kit, it's like my home smile kit, is here. So here is all of my stuff. I've kind of just unwrapped everything. It comes really carefully packaged, and then in here are all my different trays. So these are numbered, and I basically have to change these as the weeks go on. This is number 8. You change these every 2 weeks. You're also given a little entry pack with loads of info on how it all works, but you also have a lot of information online. Your treatment plan is online, and you also have access to support throughout the treatment if you've got questions or anything like that. So everything is here. Look at this little case. So I've already opened my first aligner and tried it on, but I'm going to show you, this is the little case you keep it in, and here is my very first aligner. So this is like the impression of my teeth, and then this pops over my teeth, and I am to wear this every day. Actually easier to show you the shape of my teeth with this. You can see where they're a little bit out of shape there. So I have to wear this every day for at least 22 hours, so you only take it out when you're eating basically. So then working through all these will take between 4 to 6 months in total, so that's my full treatment length, is 4 to 6 months. It's roughly about 2 weeks for each aligner. It just depends on how you react to them. So I'm going to put it in. This might be weird. Okay. Did you hear that? They're in! Can you see them? They're not very noticeable, but you can probably hear I have a slight lisp. That's supposed to go away after like 2 days, because if you think about it, you're putting like a new thing in your mouth, and your mouth has to figure out how your speech works around it. So don't be worried about it. That's it. Now all that's left to do is to wear them, and it does feel a little silly that I have this very slight lisp, but that will go away in a few days, and like I'll just be working in between now and then, and I can take them out if I need to for anything. So that's how the process works. I'll be updating you guys here on my Insta stories once a month with how I'm getting on, how things are going, you know, like pros and cons. So DM me if you have any questions, and yeah, I'm really excited to start this journey, and I hope you guys are interested in it. I think it's really cool. So I'll stop rambling now. I know that was a long one, but if you want, you can follow Your Smile Direct. I'll leave their tag up here for more like photos and reviews and just more info if you're interested in this type of treatment. But until then, I will stop waffling on, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll chat to you later. Bye.